And today, since we are already in the month of May, we are celebrating the National Heritage Month. And in line with this one practical tip that I can give you is to engage yourself in activities that unleash your creativity, even if you're at home. Aside from cooking, you can do arts and crafts, the DIY thing. Do it yourself, guys. So, as you can see in my background, let's do a DIY fan making. But, let's make it more meaningful. Let's make our artwork exhibits Philippine culture. So before that, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, Malay Apple TV. And watch my new posts every Wednesday. So come on, let's dive in! Okay, materials needed are popsicle sticks, use paper bag, colored papers like this one, glue sticks, pencil, scissors, pre-cut lines, glue gun, pre-cut circle cardboard, and cut it into half like this one, ribbons, and beads, and golden chain. Now, let's start the procedure. Get the half circle of the cardboard. This will serve as the base. Get a pair of popsicle sticks. Then, let's start gluing it using glue sticks and glue gun, like this one. Let's glue it. Be careful, guys, because glue gun is really hot. And wait a minute. There. Go. Let me put this. Another one. And the last pair. Finally. Okay, let me put it over here. Yes. Now I already finished gluing the 9 pairs of popsicle sticks. Let's start gluing it again into the base. Okay, let's glue this. A small one. Okay. Let's push it or another one over here. Okay. Wait a minute. Okay. Let's push it again. And the last pair. Yay! Finally! Let's move over here. Okay, that's enough.